Hello again. The next step I will be explaining in ARAS Innovator is how to review the development of a project, edit tasks, and also to do complete activities, how to mark that activities are completed in order to update the project. So if we want to review the project's development, we should go to the folder project and subfolder projects, and as we see, the color indicators are, at first view we can see them for each phase. The example project we created on the previous video had 3 phases, so here we can see that none of the tasks have been completed, so all of them appear as 0% complete and with color indicators. If we want to review this project, we should click on do right click view, or do just double click, and here we open the same window that appeared when we created the project. If we want to expand all the project timeline, we can click expand all. This will show us the project plan. We might also want to see a Gantt chart or Gantt diagram of the development of this task, and I'll do that again. We can click here on the show Gantt chart button, and that will open a Gantt diagram. So here on the left side we can see all the tasks we have created. This should all be completed with the leaders responsible for each task and the dates to start and finish the project. There's 3 types of color indicator that are like traffic lights. When it's green, it's that there's still enough time to complete this task. When it's in yellow, it's that the task should be started today. And when it's red, it means that the task is already late. Here we don't see green indicators because the project was created as to be finished today. So between today and tomorrow, so some of them are already late because of the duration of these tasks, and some of them are yellow because they could be completed today. In case we want to edit one of these activities, I'll close the Gantt diagram. So in case we want to edit, for example, the new example activity that we had done, we always have to go to the top of the window and lock and click on the lock item. This will tell everyone else that might be logged into the ARAS platform at that moment that I am editing this project, and therefore they will have no permission to edit it at the moment. So always that a project is locked, it means that someone is editing it, and this will lock it, as the name says, for everyone else. So as soon as I click on the lock, then it will allow me to do every kind of changes. I will change the name here, and I can also change the due date. For example, it was supposed to be finished the 11th, but I'll pass it to the 12th. As soon as I finish editing it, I could do unlock. This tells me that I have to save the changes, and I say save first. Item saved successfully, and this will again send me to a only view mode, which doesn't allow me to edit anything. If I were also another way of closing this window is just telling it save, unlock, and close when I finish, and this will do everything. This will save it, unlock it so other people can edit it, and close this window. Okay, next I want to check. I had an activity assigned, so I will go to my Innovator mine basket and here is an activity that was assigned to me through this project. So I'm going to double click it. The activity pops up. Here it says the project it's part of and the name of the activity also appears here. So the first thing I might want to do is attach a deliverable to this activity. So I go to the tab deliverables and click here. We can select an existing deliverable. We click on the orange icon and then run the search. This will show all available documents already created in ARAS Innovator, and we can select one of them, and this is the one that we want, and click OK. Or we could go to create a new deliverable. It tells us if it's a document, and this will open the create document field, which will be explained in a further video. Okay, so as soon as I've updated a deliverable, here I can state the date when I started this activity. I could say started it on today's date, and the percentage of completion that the activity is currently in. If I, for example, have only done half of the activity, I can write 50, save the changes, okay, there was a error sign there, but here I could click save changes and the activity is processed successfully. I will click OK, and now I can leave this window. As you see, the activity will still appear in my inbox because I have only completed 50%. Let's go back to opening it. If I am only going to do 50% of this task and leave it like that, then I can click on the complete box check, and this will leave it like it is, only to half of the completion. Or if I have already finished, I can put percent complete, 100% complete, and also click on the complete check. That's what I'll do in this case. The activity is processed successfully, and as you can see, I'll refresh the window. As you can see, the activity has disappeared from my in basket. Okay, if we go back to the project, now we can see that the first phase already has an 8% complete. If we open the project again, we can see that this first task, which is the one I just completed, now appears in green because it with 100% complete, which is the percentage that I just fulfilled. 3% of the whole project has been completed, and 8% of this phase is already finished. This is the way to update projects. In a further video, we'll see how to upload documents.